Come up. Happy birthday to me, 41. I'm scared of curly ass.
Administration of your blood pressure.
And I don't know why they can't
If they do it pathway, it'll be okay.
Kroger's is empty, y'all. We finally got unstuck. We've been stuck in the house from the snow for 2 days.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, I'm recording on my phone, y'all. Welcome back to another video. I got my curling irons. I'm about to do something with my hair. I have to work at my new job tomorrow. Yo, we supposed to be having a storm. There's a storm coming through, and I am scared. No, I'm not scared. I don't got no food. I tried to order some food. I'm laughing now, but it might not be funny later.
Nope.
I tried to order some food off of Instacart. They were like, saying that they're not gonna be doing any Instacart deliveries until Monday. So I guess they can't get nobody to come and pick up the food. I don't know, child. I bought these a long time ago. Red by Kisses. I love all their products. Their products last a long time. I even got some. I got like 3 pair of flat irons that I've never opened. This is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's the dial. It goes up to 450. When I bought them, I decided that I wanted to cut off all my hair. So we about to have a storm in Columbus. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. It's supposed to be like 12 inches because I have to work the whole weekend. I started my job. I was supposed to start on Friday. I didn't do anything for my birthday. I'm actually sick. I wouldn't say I'm starting to feel better, but I'm definitely much more better than what I was. Tonight I was supposed to go. I don't know if I wanna, I wanna kind of straighten this hair. But I know once I straighten it, it's not gonna go back to the wavy. At this point, I don't even care. But I was supposed to go to another line dance event today. And I just couldn't do it. I went to Makaya's job and bought me some, let me turn that curl on. What I think I'm about to curl. How do I know it's on? These things better be working. The sad thing is I bought these so long ago. If they're not working, it sounds like I'm gonna just be shot with luck. But they're not showing no signs of working. Look them up. Let me see. Lord. What's going on? This is loose right here. This is not supposed to be loose. What is going on? Let me see if I plug. Well, there's electricity because my ring light is on here. Wow. Oh, it's a little side button right here. Now it's on. I was about to say. This is real hair, but I don't think I need to put it on 400. I don't know though. I ain't curled no hair in a long time. I'm not trying to really curl this hair. Just trying to make it straight. Probably should have did it with the flat iron. I didn't. What was I talking about? Oh, I did not go to the events today, which is Friday, the day after my birthday. Happy birthday to me, 41. I was really sick on my birthday. I did post like a picture that I had took last week. I had took some pictures on my Facebook and then I posted on here too, but I still don't know how to fully work YouTube and I can't go back to the post. So if anybody tell me happy birthday on here, thank you so much. Thank you. God is good all the time. I'm 41 years old. No health problems. Besides my same old, ooh, this stinks. You know, my low blood pressure issues, but I have really been good on that. Even though it's still low, that's just my normal. My blood pressure is not gonna behind. It's been like that since I was a kid, and I didn't really know that I had like hypertension. Like when I was little, I used to faint all the time. Nobody really took me to the doctor to see why I was fainting so much. It was just like, okay, she fainted, and I don't know the thought process that was behind that. But kind of find out, I started going to the doctor myself. Every time I would go to the doctor, I would have like an irregular heartbeat, and I would also have low blood pressure. But I've been doing really good with my blood pressure. My blood pressure is low, but it's not like really, really low. It's like my normal low. Yeah, that's it. I just thank God. God is so good all the time. I'm ready to see what 41 got for me. I am so excited. This is like my new year, for real, for real. When the next chapter of my life comes, that'll be my like new year. That's how I'll be looking at it. Let me put this on here and see what happens. Ooh, I'm scared of curling irons, Kara. Oh, I straightened it. Shit, I don't know what I'm doing. I never knew what I was doing with the curling irons. As much as I've used them, I still don't know what I'm doing with them. Never have. Let me get like a pin or something. Y'all, my throat feel like I got pins and needles in it. Well, when I talk now, I feel like it's letting up. It's not as bad. It's not as bad when I talk now. Oh, this hair is so good. I kept on saying, I'm gonna do my hair. Trying to get as close. As soon as I feel heat, I start jumping. You ain't gotta burn me. I used to hate when my mama would flat iron my hair. Oh my God. Then she would be smacking me. If I jump, as soon as I felt the heat, I was jumping. I don't give a care. How many times she smacked me, smacked my fingers. As soon as I felt the heat, it was a wrap.
Actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no.
Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into gray. Say that it's okay. Painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate. No fear, I test my fate, no. Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into gray. Say that it's okay. Painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate. No fear, I test my fate.
Innocence and honesty keep signaling my brilliance. Living in this harmony, it's hard to see the change. Ignorance and poverty was sinking in resilience. Adrenaline, my arteries are masking all the pain. I symbolize the vigilance, we need to rise above it. It makes it hard to breathe when we're living in the flames. So make rhythms and we influence the youngers. It's like we plant the seed and watch them grow into the names.
Lately I've been studying Ibrahim Traore. What it takes to make change, blood and tears, that they assure me. Stripes and gun range, bodyguards at every doorway. Civil rights to sustain this peace over Wahala. If we had to fight, we have to die. That's why we ain't seen another Thomas Sankara. Who are you when you can change all the fortunes of your people? I'm tired too, I used to blame Western forces of evil. I'm tired too, I'm choosing pain and let my hate
Still see some waves.
I'm asking, can I really flex? Forget the poverty.
Alright, ladies.
Check the strings above, you know it's lethal. And I'm still collecting, I'll try to protect my own peace and breeze through.
So this is what the hair is looking like. I don't know if I want to glue it down. I'm wearing it straight tomorrow. Well, tonight. But anyways, that was Micaiah on the phone complaining about her job. Got her outside. And it's like 7 degrees outside. This is how this hair is looking.
I was numbing, stressing that I'm still the same
This is
as
how I'm
these
going to
years.
work tomorrow.
The bands, and all the in between too. iPhone in my hands, I guess I bit the apple clean through. Please don't get it twisted.
Yeah.
Never been the cleanest heart.
That's crazy. Ain't nobody out here. Just getting off of work. It's 6:09 a.m. I haven't seen this type of snow in Columbus since I was a little girl. What is going on? Like, why are you trying to sweep the world?
You should have just let me do it, bro.
She ain't about to lie. She ain't even gonna make it to the car.
Bro, what is she doing?
You're never gonna win.
Put the camera.
Stop, my.
So you can just, wee.
Micaiah, you're not gonna win against this.
I'm about to go out there and hit her.
You're losing already.
I'm about to go out there and hit her with a snowball. Watch.
I'm losing now.
Don't run from it. Don't run from this snowball.
Micaiah, you're losing. You're losing the battle. He coming.
One eternity later.
What strippers? I'm gonna have to go down there one day.
Oh my gosh.
I'm putting plastic bags on my feet so that I can go outside. Let's help Malachi. And my boots are in the basement, so I wear these shoes. Got my bags on. Got my bags on. Oh, good. Y'all see my bag? This is my room. Alright. I feel like I'm overheating already. Okay. Where are my gloves? I'm gonna put the gloves on last. Where my hat? Can't find my hat. Now I'm gonna come back and get my hat. Alright, y'all, we gotta go outside. I'm about to switch cameras though. Y'all on my phone right now. I cannot believe this store really came. We don't got no food. This is lightweight fun, y'all. We look like we in Buffalo. Nobody ain't got no good grab my mouth. My baby got the whole car shoveled up. We need to get the front, move the snow from the front so we can get out. Let me start it up.
Why are you going this way?
Whoa, this is flyway fun. Whew. Okay, talk about where you going, Mom. Now she want to come out. She coming out. She was like, where you going, Mom? Oh, ain't got no business out here sick. But yeah, let's cut in the car. See what my air pressure's in. One of my tires low, y'all. Yeah, it's so cold in the car. It's colder in the car than it is outside. Huh? Where you going? Who? She said you can get it? Bro. Come here. What is you doing? Give me the room. What are you spelling?
Don't walk.
Harsh. Very much harsh.
All right, down there.
Come on, let's make a snow angel mouse.
Oh, watch out.
Come on.
This is my order. Don't close.
Oh, yes.
Gotta be perfect.
Dang, that broom is done for. Yeah, I can see the H and the A. Let me stand on this side. It's deep. Look how deep this snow is, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell.
Makai,
This shit is crazy.
where your phone at?
Columbus look like Buffalo. We gonna get stuck soon as we turn this way.
Where your phone at?
This is like useless.
The whole road's like this.
Makaya, bro, where's your phone at? You about to mess up my snow.
In the book bag in my phone.
Huh?
Oh, y'all need to come on.
Don't push the snow over.
Let's do a snow angel, huh?
No, just don't put the snow over here.
Why?
Cause I made a name, you goofball. I just do this for no reason.
You record me make a
You wouldn't
snow
even be able
angel?
to go nowhere if it wasn't for
I
me.
wanna make a snow angel.
She wouldn't even be able to go nowhere if it wasn't for me.
Man, you a little slow.
You gotta get it. You gotta get the whole thing.
Mom, no, bro. You about to mess up the name I just wrote, gang.
Come on, hold my camera the right way.
Lock in, lock in.
Come on, see.
I'm gonna throw the snow on you. What is you doing?
Oh, look at this snow angel. Bro, you're a little slow.
Yo. Grown woman, by the way.
Is it getting me?
Here.
Get up.
I'm trying to get somebody help.
It's too cold out here for that.
Here, bro. Vlog your
I'm in the
journey.
house.
Here, bro.
You going to that house for real when we came out here in this?
Here, bro. Here.
Mom, you're freezing my ankles for no reason and I'm getting sick. Like, are you serious?
Quick.
Now she gets sick.
So do I need to stop?
I think so. We gonna have to shovel the whole parking lot. We can try and get stuck. This is abnormal.
What type of stuff y'all on?
Because we ain't gonna be able to get out the parking lot. We're gonna get stuck.
I don't know where they at. Maybe they gonna come do us at the last minute.
Eventually.
What I blame though? Like, come on. The lady talk about they changed their mind. I know that's right. She was like, don't push that snow against my car. Where is her car at?
Right there, I started
Man, it's no hope for nobody. It don't matter what nobody do. I'm trying to zoom in. How do you zoom in with this one? I'm at this camera.
bro. I don't know why I came out here. I'm about to go in. I don't know what I'm about to eat. And we got anything in there? Like rice? We got oatmeal? So why we out here, Mom?
Y'all greedy?
And then he really just sitting out here like it ain't nothing to him.
What's wrong? He recording. He getting content.
Just ignorant at this point. Now y'all just doing ignorant stuff to say we know we ain't going nowhere.
He put the snow back on the car.
Is that what he doing on purpose?
He don't want me recording. You retarded, child. You need medication.
Well, we can't see him no more.
You retarded.
He is ignorant. Like, you taking the time to do all that.
He's trying to get all the snow in the thing so I can't record. I've just figured it out.
And he sound like told to do all that.
Malachi, I'm gonna lay on the ground. You bury me.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting out of here. Y'all got like messed up.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, y'all, I made some rice, some green beans, and some macaroni. That's all we had, y'all. We ain't got no food. Well, that's not all we got. That's all we're gonna eat today because we don't know how long we're gonna be stuck in the snow. Y'all, I know I look crazy, but it's okay. I'm starving. Malachi went to the store and got us something to drink and some snacks to the corner store. Hopefully, this stuff, I don't even know how it's gonna melt. I had to call off for work. I had orientation today. I called off. I don't know. Oh my God, I'm always burning something. If I don't burn nothing, something ain't right. But that's because I be sitting in my bed. So this is all we got. My kids don't even know survival. This is a survival meal. They're like, Mom, let's order some stuff from the pizza place. The pizza place closed, child. Ain't nothing open. It's good. Let me taste these greens that I burnt. These green beans. They're not bad. Well, guys, we snowed in. Ain't nothing to do. Yeah, it's in the refrigerator. I mean, on the stove. I hope y'all staying warm out there. Because I'm definitely staying warm. Malachi took so long to go to the store. We was like, should we go out there and find him? Oh my God. I really look crazy. But I don't care. This macaroni really good. The macaroni and the rice. I messed up the greens.
Day 2.
You're just gonna rub bottom.
It's almost there.
I had to walk up the store. I had my, me and my robe went. You had a bucket more. I didn't give a fuck. You know how
Doing is raising your blood pressure.
Oh, they end up closing. That's where I get my cigarette. Right. Well, I'm gonna try.
Man, my ankle's cold.
Got socks on?
No.
Yeah, and I watched these cars get stuck in the parking lot.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I'm worried about.
I know.
And I don't know why they can't just even solve
If-
a path or...
Yeah, if they do a pathway, it'd be okay.
You know, do something. You haven't done anything.
Yeah, I only got front wheel drive.
Okay, give it a back. Put it in reverse.
Wait, turn away.
Come on.
She crazy. She ain't listening today.
Reverse
Taking you in deep.
She stuck.
Get back in your spot. Come on, a little bit more. Okay, go forward. Go forward.
And she gonna get stuck no matter what. Hers is almost all the way to the ground.
Do you want some help?
No, it's okay. I just need to get a little problem.
That's why I started to walk down there.
Okay, put it in reverse. Okay, put it in reverse, and then when you put it in drive, I'm gonna give you a push.
Just dig in deeper.
She trying.
But she gotta go through this whole parking lot. It's not worth it.
Well, that's what I'm trying
Let me
to...
try to reverse a little bit more, baby.
I mean,
You don't want to let me go back a little more.
people are just
You know,
trying
people
to
get
get
to the
out.
point where they
I
want to
know.
leave.
And I even thought, God, I don't mind walking, but where do I want to park my car? Do I want to bring it back and try to get in the parking lot?
It looked like somebody been getting out of here.
Yeah, somebody got out of
Well,
here.
this next
Probably a
time,
truck.
What do you call it? All-wheel drive.
Yeah, if you got four-wheel drive.
Again,
That's the car I need to get in
this
because
happens every year. It's not a secret. Get people out here.
They do need to get somebody
You
out
know,
here.
way too much.
Every year we
I
get
gotta go to
shows
work.
in Ohio.
Reverse one more time.
Good Lord. Hire
All right, put it in drive.
Say that.
She gonna mess her car up.
Right. I'm just trying to get out where I can't do something. Are you going to try to push me on the front?
Well, y'all, unsuccessful again.
I'm about to start shooting the fucking. I'm at the point where I don't care.
This y'all.
Look at that.
Man, Kroger's,
I like it. I lounge it.
Kroger's is empty, y'all. We finally got unstuck. We've been stuck in the house from the snow for 2 days. We finally unstuck. What is this? Ground beef, carrot, 85% lean. Should I get this? $27. Oh no. $8.99. Y'all, this is what's left. Like, the store is extremely empty. The store is completely empty, y'all. I'm freezing. It's crazy.
No, there's no audio, so you swear.
We'll get some of these chicken wings. Yeah, too bad. Hold on, I like these wings better. I don't know what them other ones are. Let's get these. Look at these big kids running around in the store. Baby kids. Okay. I don't know.
You have to lucky your kids at the minute. Well, the green beans are still good though. Alright guys, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell me what you guys are doing to stay warm in the comments. Bye.
Mountains and dancing. Got the keys to the kingdom. So by faith we already won. Whole squad got a